Welcome to my PLRme review for 2024. I think it's been a couple years since I did a video review of PLRme, and the quality of their content and the freshness of their content has really stayed the same, so that's fantastic. But they have added some really cool new features and a great way for you to get free PLR, so I figured I should make an updated video and tell you all about that. My name's Alex, I'm a digital marketer. If you find this video helpful, I hope you'll like and subscribe, and of course feel free to reach out to me if you need any help with marketing and writing related services. So first things first, PLRme is my favorite PLR website. PLR, if you're not familiar with it, stands for Private Label Rights. And there are different types of private label rights, but in PLRme's case, they have one very simple PLR license, which applies to all of their content. And basically, it means that you can treat the PLR as if it was content that you created yourself, with a couple of very specific exceptions. You can't resell it with private label rights. So for example, if I buy a PLR ebook from them, I can put my name on it and sell it as my book. However, I can't resell it with PLR rights to someone else. And there are a couple other exceptions mentioned here, such as because of Amazon's terms of service, you can't directly public PLR on Kindle, and a few other things like that. But for the most part, you can basically use it however you want. You can just rebrand it and use it as yours. You can rewrite it and then rebrand it and use it as yours. You can sell it, you can give it away or use it as a lead magnet. You can add it to your membership sites or use it in your courses. There's really all kinds of ways that you can use this stuff. And as I mentioned, it's really high quality content. They're always adding new stuff, so it's always very fresh, and it's really easy to work with. And after I break down how the website works and how to find the kind of PLR that you're looking for, I'll show you what it looks like when you actually download the files. So first things first, make sure that you use my affiliate link in the description of this video to sign up for your PLRme account, because PLR has a credit system where you buy credits and then you use the credits to purchase PLR. And if you sign up for your free account using my link, you'll get 10 free credits, which is enough for a good amount of PLR. And then you'll also get 2 credits a month just for maintaining your free account. And then on top of the 10 free credits you'll get just for signing up with my link, and the 2 free credits you get every month just for maintaining your account, once you're signed in, you can see I've signed in now, I have 26 credits. Once you're signed in, you can come to this little module down here in the bottom right corner that says Get Free Credits. And then they have a number of activities that you can do to familiarize yourself with the website and the brand. And they actually give you free credits for each of them. You can see I already earned 20 free credits for watching an interactive video, and there's a bunch of other activities that you can do to earn credits there. So now that we've covered what PLR is and how the credit system works and why you should sign up for a free account with PLRme, I'll walk you through some of the website's features, and then we'll take a look at some different ways of finding the type of PLR that you're looking for. So first of all, if we go to the Learn tab here, they have a whole series of educational videos and other resources that you can use. And it's everything from how to use the PLR content to content marketing training, inspiration gallery, and they really make an effort to kind of give you everything that you need in order to create content successfully and run a successful business. And here in the Learn tab, it's mostly resources and tutorials. And if you're already an experienced marketer or business owner, then a lot of this might be review to you. And if you're new to online marketing or business, then you'll probably find this stuff really helpful. Then if we come to the Tools tab in the menu here, they have some productivity tools. They have some WordPress plugins, which you can use on your website if you have a WordPress website. They have some content marketing tools, which are basically just tools that are built right into the website, which make it easier and faster to work with the PLR content. And then they recently added their AI Playground, which has an AI chat interface like ChatGPT. It has some other AI writing tools, image generation, audio generation, and a lot of great stuff. And I believe that when you are on a PLR subscription, which is where you get a certain number of credits every month for however much you're paying, I think you get access to the AI Playground for free, which is a huge value add because you could easily be spending anywhere from $20 to $60 a month just on an AI writer. And it has an AI writer built right in, plus a whole bunch of other stuff. And so those are the tools and resources that they have available on the website. And when it comes to finding the exact type of PLR that you're looking for, there's 2 primary ways of doing it. You can do a search right here, or you can go to the Products tab right here, and you can either go by categories or by product types. So I think that most people will probably be looking based on categories. So just for an example, we can go to weight loss and fitness, and then this takes me into the weight loss and fitness category. And generally, when you look at at it this way, it's going to recommend the most popular products that it thinks that you'll like based on the category. But you can get a lot more granular with the filters on the left side here. So for example, I can choose whether I want to see only individual products or only bundles. So right now there's products and bundles being listed, but if I just want individual products, I can uncheck bundles and it'll repopulate. And then we have the categories filter. So of course, weight loss and fitness is already checked because that's where we are. But if I wanted to include other categories in here, then I could do that. So for example, weight loss and fitness can be combined with things like dating and relationships, as well as natural health and safety, self-improvement, confidence, self-esteem, and self-care. So if I wanted to look at a broader range of relevant topics, then I could select multiple categories here. And then if I know the exact type of content that I'm looking for, I can go down to the types filter, and they have a lot of different types of content, as you can see, although they certainly have a lot more articles and things like that than they do challenges. But so for example, you can see down at the bottom here, there's only one challenge. So if I check that, then it should only show one product. And we've got a 5-day Get Moving PLR challenge. So that sounds like it's probably a a challenge to try and get people to start building a habit where they're exercising every day. And this type of challenge is really, really popular. It's something that is fairly easy to get a lot of shares for on social media. It's the kind of things that gyms and other fitness-based companies will run for free, where like they run a bunch of ads to get people to join the challenge, and then they have upsells and cross-sells throughout the process of the challenge. I'm actually creating a challenge for one client right now, and I used some PLR from PLRme to help me out with that. And then if I go back to weight loss and fitness here, I could uncheck challenges and then check coaching workshops and slide deck presentations instead. And these are really cool because they provide them in multiple formats. I think you get both PowerPoint and Google Slides versions. So it'll work in pretty much any slideshow software that you might want to use. And then you can also scroll down a little bit further and you can select any tags that you want, and you can specify the amount of credits or pages that you want. So for example, if you only had 10 credits, then you can slide this down all the way down here to 10. So now it says 1 to 10, and that means it won't display anything that costs more than 10 credits. And now I've got 3 slide decks to choose between, which are all on my topic and all in my price range. And doing a search actually really works the exact same way. You can see I just did a search for martial arts up here, and then I can come down here and do all the same things. So I can check bundles back there and then uncheck products just to see if there's any related bundles. Looks like there's nothing really specific to martial arts, so I'll recheck products and uncheck bundles. And then if I wanted to specify categories, this is really useful because you can see how many there are in each category. And so natural health and safety makes sense, self-improvement makes sense, weight loss and fitness makes sense, and then I can just take a look at what's available. And now the last thing I was going to do is show you what it looks like when you download one of these files. So you can actually add it directly to Dropbox or Google Drive if you want, instead of downloading it. And I believe once you've paid for it, you can download it as many times as you want, so that's not an issue. But what I do is I just download it directly to my hard drive. That way I have it, and then I upload it to wherever I need it from there. And so when you download it, it's in a zip file, and you probably already have a software that can unzip things on your computer. If you don't, you can download 7-zip or something else like that for free. And so it'll just be in a .zip file, and you can right click on it and say unzip. And then once you extract all of the zipped contents, it'll look something like this. So you can see here I have a link to their license terms, which we already looked at. And then because this one is an article PLR, I have a text file, a PDF, and a doc file. So you can see this type of document will work in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and probably in most other word processors if you use something else. The PDF is kind of the finished version that you can just use as is if you want. And the text file is just kind of a backup so that you have the raw text if for any reason you need it like that. And it's just really simple. And so if you got like a slide deck, then it would have a slide deck. And really my favorite thing about PLRme is the license terms, because a lot of PLR websites, they have different types of rights that they put on different products. And then so you always have to check which specific rights each product has. And sometimes the language isn't very clear. Whereas with PLRme, it's really clear. You have full PLR rights to everything you download. And remember, when you sign up using my link, you get 10 free credits. You can then earn some more free credits with these activities. And once you're on the website and you have an account and you're looking around, you're going to realize how much effort this company puts into regularly providing up-to-date, high-quality content. So PLRme definitely gets my recommendation. I am an affiliate, of course. I hope you use my link. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section or reach out to me directly if you prefer. I've got a lot of tutorials on this channel that teach how to use PLR, and I'm going to continue making more of those. So I hope you'll subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.